everyone, this is Aleeza Nadeem and now we are back with our 13th video of the exercise. So it's my mother, she will follow me. So I hope that you guys will also do the exercises that I'm going to do in today's video, the new exercises. So first we'll start with the easy one, then we move toward the difficult one. So for the easy one exercise is that you have to bring your right leg forward and you have to move it like this. You have to make a circle in a circular motion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First forward and then backward. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll do the same thing with our left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to make a circle. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll move towards the second exercise. In this, what you have to do, you have to bring both of your hands like this and you have to go to the right side and you have to stretch your body and your hands like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we'll do the same thing on the left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now forward like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have done with 2 exercises. So now we'll move towards the third exercise. So the third exercise is that you have to bring both your hands like a punch and you have to throw them backwards. So this exercise make your shoulders strong. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have to do it. You have to not be like doing it very easily. Make your exercise proper by doing it properly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we're done with third exercise. So now we'll move towards the fourth exercise. In this, what you have to do, you have to first bring both of your hands, make a punch both of your hands, and now you have to bring your right leg forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This way your hands are being straight and stretched. So as I told you, now we're done with the 4 exercises. So as I told you in my previous video, that in my next video, like in my previous video, I have tell you some self-defense techniques, and I also told you that I will also tell you some self-defense techniques in my further videos. So today I will tell you some self-defense techniques that is very useful for in this type of daily life. So that is very useful for you and for your self-protection and self-defense for yourself. So first, like I think now we have done 4 exercises. So 5th self-defense exercises that if somebody have grip you from your shoulder, so with this hand, with your right hand, you have to hit because this point is very weak of the person, so you have to hit it with your elbow like this. We have to do it again. No, if somebody has grip you with your right hand or left hand. So now you have to hit with this left hand. Because this point is very weak, if you hit it by your elbow, so easily the hand will be broken or can be rid of. So as we're done with the self-defense technique, so now we'll move towards the 6th exercise, because this was the 5th self-defense technique if you are going in the sequence. So now we're going towards the 6th exercise. So as we are moving towards the 6th exercise, so we have to, I use a mat over here because I'm laying down on the floor, so I need a mat for this. So we have to straighten our leg, we have to go backwards and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to touch this part of your foot. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So over here the 6th exercise is completed, so now we'll move towards the 7th exercise. So the 7th exercise is a push-up position, that you will do push-ups. That is easy, it's not difficult, because if you will straighten your hands like this, and if you will bring your hands to your shoulder like this, if you will bring your hands equally to the shoulder like this, like where your shoulder is, so you have to only keep your hands over there, so you will have no pain. You can easily do this. Like this. First, you have to come in the position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So now we're done with the push-ups. So now we'll relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. You have to set the back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now out through in. 1. From out you have to bring it in. 5, 6, 7, 10. So now we're done with the 7th exercise. So now we move towards the 8th exercise. So as we are moving towards the last, it is the 8th exercise. So I think that it should be the balancing exercise, because we have not done up till now. So with your right leg, you have to make a punch with both of hands, and you have to uplift your right leg and balance in a cut position. Cut means that you have to make a cut position, like you have to bring your heels like this. And this is not the cut position, this is a cut position like this. And you have to uplift as fast as you can and make a balance. So you have to make a good balance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to do the same thing with our left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uplift as fast as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's it for today. We have done I think that's enough for today, because we have done up till now 8 exercises. So I hope that that's enough for today. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the 7 different techniques, also and all my exercises that have been done in today's video. And give this video maximum amount of likes, and share this video everyone whoever at your home. And don't forget to watch my previous videos also. So thank you for watching, and Allah Hafiz.